How to create an event on Facebook. If you're looking to create an event on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to host or organize an event directly from the Facebook, whether it's for a party, a business, or a community gathering. Let's dive right in. First things first, you may need to open your Facebook app, or you can go to the web browser and go to facebook.com and log into your account. Now on your Facebook feed, look for the events section. You can find it in the three dots and simply scroll down and tap on events. Now once you're on the events section, you'll see your upcoming events, but today we're creating a brand new one. Simply click on create. Now what you need to do is simply give your event name, and here you can see you will be prompted to choose between creating a public or private event. For most events, you'll want to choose private if you want to limit the guest list, but if you're hosting a public event such as a concert or community gathering, choose public. I'm going to be choosing private. Now it's time to fill in the details for your event. Give your event a name that clearly describes what it's about. Next, simply add the date. Choose when your event will start and end. Make sure to pick the right time zone for your guest. After that, simply next add the location of your event. You can either use a specific address or select a place on Facebook. In description, write a detailed description of your event, including any important information like what to bring, dress code, or any RSVP requirements. Now, if you're hosting a virtual event, you can even include a link to your meeting platform like Zoom or Google Meet in the description. After that, simply click on create, and that's it. That's how you simply create an event. And you can also simply send the link to the person who you want to invite. And that's it. You've successfully created your event on Facebook. Now you're all set to manage and promote your event to make sure it's a success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.